Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life, guys. So in today's video we're going to be recycling some containers, and yes, they are peanut containers with the lids. We're going to be using these, recycling these, and we're going to be decorating them, blinging them out, guys. So I took them outside and I sprayed them with the metallic gold paint, Rust-Oleum, and I don't have the can in front of me, but I'll make sure that everything I use is down in the description box below. So let's jump right into the project. So guys, I decided to go back into the computer and print out some labels on Victoria's Secret. Pink, love pink, and then the dog. So I went ahead and I just, I sized them, printed that out, and we're going to be decorating those with Victoria's Secret logos. Also, I decided to use the marble contact paper just as a border, and I did cut it like a little label, like. So we're going to use this to embellish the cans that we're going to use to store our craft stuff. I made 2 of those so we can make 2 matching, and a little bit of bling wrap that I have excess here, maybe we can use that. And again, let's jump right into the project. Okay, so let me pull off this tape. We'll put this on the side here and decide where we're going to lay that down. We're going to try to center that as best as we can. And since I Mod Podged the pink, the Victoria's Secret labels, it made it much easier to place that marble contact paper on here. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to embellish. I usually use the scissors to balance out my the can so it doesn't move. I think what I want to do is use some of the bling wrap to go around. Let me see what's in here. Okay guys, so it looks like we have some rose mesh. That's good. And then we have some bling wrap. So I like to place some bling wrap along the top where the label is, because it's not cut straight. So I just want to make sure we kind of cover that. So we do want to cut evenly. So I'm going to measure those strips together. Just to make sure I'm cutting these evenly, guys. Okay. We're going to go along the top here. We're going to go along the top here just to cover right here like this. And then I'm going to do a strip along the bottom, only from where the label starts and where it ends. Okay? So let's go ahead and do that. And you know guys, I'm going to have to come down a little bit lower, because when you put the lid to the can on, I don't want the bling wrap to interfere, so I am going to come down a little bit lower, like just to give it enough room. Okay, let me show you what that looks like. See? And so this way, when the lid goes on, the bling wrap won't interfere with the lid coming on and off. So I'm going to go ahead and run along the bottom. That one I don't have to worry about because we don't have a lid on the bottom, okay? What that looks like so far. Isn't that beautiful? So now what I am going to do is I am going to put a rose mesh on this end and on this end. I just bring in just the one lid. I need the other. Okay. Okay guys, so we're going to glue one rose mesh on this side here, right here, and then I'm going to do it on this side here. Okay, and that's what that looks like so far, guys. But I don't know. I need something else. So I'm going to go back and I'm loving these stickers, guys, right now. They have them at the Dollar Tree. And I don't know. I'm really liking how they look. So I am going to place some gems in between those three different signs there. Label signs. Okay, so we're going to do... I think I'm going to do 3 in between each one. Okay. Guys, I'm going to glue one of these rose mesh in the center of that lid. And so we may as well just do the other one, right guys? Okay, so at least we know the lids are done, because that's all I'm really going to do to the lids. We shouldn't need to do anything else to it. So the lid is done. This is what that can looks like. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous, guys? Look at that. We take a recyclable can, spray it with a little paint, put some bling on it, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. Let me put that lid on it for you so you can see. It doesn't interfere with the bling wrap at all. We even have a little bit more space. I am just so happy right now. That's what we have. So we're going to go ahead and do the same exact thing we did to that one. We're going to run a border. We're not going to run it too high up, but we're going to go the length of the label, which is right there. Okay guys, this is how we're looking so far. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put those gems on the side here and the rose mesh on the two ends. Okay. Let's stick these back here. And these go back in the jar. I'm going to show you what that looks like, guys. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? I love taking recyclable items and repurposing them, and look at that. You can't even tell it's a recycle item. They're so nice. You can put gifts in them. You can give them away. I'm using them as storage for my beads and all my craft stuff. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Everything I used to create this craft is down in the description box below. Like, share, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.